Good morning, Northwest. We're going to begin with breaking news out of the Spokane Valley, where firefighters made quick work of a small fire inside a business. Happened around 7:15 this morning in a business near Sprague and Vista.
KXLY4's Erik Loney joins us live now from the scene. Erik.
Yeah, good morning. The last firefighter left only about 5 minutes ago from the Spokane Valley Fire Department, and the smoke here is all clear. This is Euro Woodworking. It's a business that makes cabinets. Last night, firefighters tell us the person that works here used a saw they hadn't used for a while and then went home for the night. When that person came back to work this morning, the building was filled with smoke. Firefighters determined that a small pile of sawdust underneath that piece of equipment had been smoldering for much of the night and filled the business with smoke. There's no damage to the building and nobody was injured. Reporting live in Spokane Valley, Erik Loney, KXLY4 HD News.